Hey guys, Yellowbone69 here, and I picked up a new camera. It's the HD Memory Vario by JVC. Now, this is by no means a JVC product endorsement. This is an RC camera endorsement. Very particular about that. This little camera does awesome things. Let's crack it open. There we go. AV wires, USB wire, charger, and the camera. Wow. I've already opened it. There you go. Anyways, this camera does great little things. It's got 40 times optical zoom and 70 times dynamic zoom. That's fantastic. When I show you some clips on how it zooms in, it'll blow your mind. It's perfect for RC when you can't get close. But anyways, it's got a whole whack of features. I'll just put up a copy of the page. Yeah, that's about it. Probably can't see anything. But it's cute. It's not too big. Palm sized. Nothing's big anymore. Everything's these little tiny things smaller than my hand, for God's sakes. But yeah, good little camera for RC especially, in my opinion. There you go. Thanks for watching.